Hi friends, my name is Aftab and today we will learn how to create category and how can assign product in a category in Magento 2. So this is front end and we are going to admin section in Magento 2, right? Enter username and password is password, right? And click on sign in. Okay, take little bit time I think. Okay, now is in admin area. This is dashboard. Here is see life cycle, average order, last order. So this is update on daily basis as per order placing. If we have more orders, so here is revenue more and quantity and shipping is increase. So today discuss Magento catalog system, right? So create category and upload product from in catalog. Here is two section. Is one is product, second is categories, right? So firstly we are going to categories, right? So here is lots of categories. What's new, women, men, gear, training, sales. So here is see in a front end how can display it. So guys, this is what's new, this is what's new, right? And again women. So this is woman, man, gear, training, sales. So this is all category system here. Suppose we need add one more category. So click on here for choose a default category, right? And add subcategory because default category is a main category. Suppose we are create task category, right? So this is top two menu, enable category, yes. Include menu navigation, yes. Guys, this is category system and upload image, top section in an image, and you want to add some static content of here, so you can add here. So firstly, after discuss it, firstly we are the just save. Okay, and going to cache system, click on here cache and click on all and refresh it. Basically, friends, cache is a system stores some HTML content inside the cache, and your website is render very fast. That's reason you use cache system. Many type of cache, so we will discuss it about the cache system in upcoming videos. But here is you can only cache is a website performance things. Okay, and refresh here. And this is now I mean task category. This is your task category, like this category, task category, right? So this is category and click on here. So there is nothing product and no product we have, and on go back to category page, and again here is content system, category image. Suppose we are choose one image. I don't have any image. Oh my god. Have any image? Okay. So We are just click on Luma homepage and save this image on desktop, right? And rename it category image. Save it and upload here category image, right? And save it, right? And click on here and see this is category banner. So you can add any promotional banner or some event, some festival season banners you can add here, top of the category, right? And you can add also your static block. Suppose, so what is static block, guys? Basically, static block is a section you can add your HTML in this area, and you can add, sorry, and you can add blog section, your theme or your page, anywhere you can add. So click on content and click on block, right? We can add new block. Here is click on new add and block title like promotion test category, promotion test category banner, sorry, content. Here is promotion, right? And guys, this is store view. You can see here multiple store. If you have multiple stores, so you can add, you want to specific store, so you can add specific store. And you have, you want to show all store, so you can click on all store. Or if you want to specific store, so here is choose you want to which store show. Like default here is nothing, a multi store. We will discuss on it multi store system, how can and multi store and multilingual and multi language websites. Okay, so we will discuss in for in upcoming videos. Here is just add, this is test blog content, right? And just save it and back to category system, close all other tabs, right? Here is choose test category and click on, this is promotion task category content, right? And save it and refresh it. Oh, I think not flash cache, that's using not come cache flash. Guys, cache system is basically area in, click on setting and cache tools, inside the tools cache system, and here is select all and cache refresh, right? Sorry. And here is refresh. I think my bad, because in category system choose display setting, because here is only choose a product. So here is show only products, nothing else. But we need some static block also. So here choose static block and products. Save it and again refresh. I think once cache problem, select cache and refresh and refresh again. What is issue? Here is add also static content. This is test. This is test. Test category. Okay, guys. Here is you want to see both test, and this is promotion test. So this is static content. This is test block, right? And this is test. Both of content here. So if you want call to directly static block, so you can add this, and you want to add something here, so you can add here, right? And refresh it. So this is only call from static block. Okay. And again is display setting. Here is three option. You want to product only, so show only products, nothing static block. And you want to static block only, so you can show only static block, nothing products. And you want to static block and products, so both of, right? We have choose most of time static block and products, right? This is available shorting. You want to display, so you can create your attribute filterable or sortable. So you can create here, right? Or you want to display setting. If you want to customize, you want to only price, so you can choose here price. And here is sorry, you want to default setting your price filter, so you can choose a price. And here layer navigation, you want to change a currency price setup, so you can also price setup here. And again is guys, this is search engine optimization. This is very important, because this is task. So suppose add here, you won't see here description and in meta tag, right? You want to control you source code and find description, nothing, meta is. So this is now nothing activate. So here is guys, add meta title, meta description. You want to share your category on any social media, so goes to title. From here title, test category, right? Meta keyword for new product, like meta description. This is best quality in low price, right? Type this. So you want to share this category any social media, goes to title this and keyword this and meta description like this. Okay guys, this is used for search engine optimization. Or you want to rank your Google and any other so engines, and you got a traffic without spend money. So this is very important. So you create any category, you must want to fill this area. And this is again, you want to add your products. Suppose you want to create any product. So here is search, and suppose we need here is add two products, right? And save it, and goes to in print. So guys, you see, this is our first product in our category, in task category. You see this, right? So you can add from category also product. You want to add product from here. You want to search some criteria, basis of id, basis of name, basis of sq, price, promotions, all things. And third one is, guys, design. Design you want, here is only two themes, Magento blank and Magento Luma. If you have your custom themes, so here is name also, and layout. For you want to, here is one column, three column, two column. So this is category is two column, and this is left section, two columns left. This is left, and this is right. So this is first column, this is two column, right? And suppose you want to first column or right column, so you can add here, right? You want to two column right, so your filter navigation move to right section like this, right? So you can modify as per your design, any specific category or all theme also, right? Or if you want to parent category, suppose you have multi category, so you want to parent category, you can add only changes your parent category and enable this settings. So follow all subcategory from parent, right? And last one is schedule design update. You want to add multi design, so you want to summer design separate and winter design separate. So you can add here is timing, and you want to change as per timing, automatically change your design. So no need for any other help for changing. So guys, this is a category overview of Magento 2. If you have any problem about category, add category and rename and promotional ad and designing, so please comments me or mail me, or please don't forget for subscribe, and see you next video, how to create product and how can assign product in a category. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.